Hello, everybody. I'd like to invite you back to another episode of Dirt, Grain, and Steel. Um, got a new toy in the shop, as you can see. You can see the Forney Easy Weld 140 in the back, and now we have a Forney Easy Weld 20p plasma cutter, which I liked the 140 MP so much from Forney. I liked the product. I liked the way it was put together. And I seen that they had these plasma cutters, and I think I talked about getting one of these plasma cutters. Well, I decided the other day to pull the trigger on one of the plasma cutters. And so far, the dump over screen that I have built, I have cut everything with this plasma cutter. And I'm very satisfied with it. It says it cuts 1/4 inch. I have cut stuff that thick with it. That was galvanized angle iron, which anybody that's ever worked with galvanized knows how big of a bear it is to cut. And it cuts it very well. So I was very happy with that. It also came with this beautiful quick start guide that within 5 minutes of getting it out of the box, I was cutting with it. So very easy setup. Just put my own air fitting in the back, plug my air hose into it, and we were cutting. I do like the true drag tip. You can put it right on a piece and drag it and cut. Really is nice because for me I shake a lot. So with that tip being on the workpiece, I can actually steady it and get a lot straighter cuts with it. I've got a Cutmaster 52 thermal dynamics that I use in the shop, and if I put this Forney against that Cutmaster 52, they're a pretty close race. I mean, and the Cutmaster was a lot more expensive than this Forney. I have $408 in this. Got it off Amazon. Free shipping. It's pretty simple. It's only 20 pounds too. That's the nice thing about it. You can just throw this thing wherever you want. It'd be nice because I'm going to throw it in a service truck if we ever need it, and I can run it off our mill or welder generator. But it has 3 lights on the front, your amperage control, and the air pressure sets itself. It's self-regulating. Has an air dryer built inside. Nice rocker switch in the back for on and off. Nice, very nice torch. It's got a safety right here, so you can't bump it. Very easy to work on. Electrode, tip, it's all right there. And there's only, when you have to replace the tip, you only replace the tip and the electrode. Screw that back on. And it has a warning light when there's a problem with the torch itself. It'll flash red. And then there's also another light for over temperature if it starts to get hot. But nice flexible joint right here. I really like that. But nice ground clamp, like on the welder. Nice heat shrink. It's got a nice lug right there that's nothing crimped, or it's crimped. And then the nice thing is it's actually bolted instead of just formed into the ground clamp. I really like these ground clamps. But I'll show you how it cuts. Cuts really good. Just like that. Now, I'm not the steadiest when it comes to cutting. It pierces really good. I mean, I'm going to start right here, not start from edge or anything. There you have it. And I am not endorsed by Forney in any way, shape, or form. It'd be nice to get money for, or be nice to test their products out, not get money from them. I'd rather have them send me products. But I'm not endorsed by them in any way, shape, or form. I'm just trying to tell you about a great product. I really enjoy working with their equipment. I've been really happy with the welder for being a 140 on 110. And some of this square tube, the bottom of this dump over screen is made out of square tube that thick to make it a little heavier. And I've gotten good penetration on this. And I'm just all around really happy with the Forney products. I do plan on getting their larger equipment when I get my bigger shop. So I think I found a product that I'm going to stick with. So anybody got any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll answer them. So anyways, hope everybody has a safe week. Don't work too hard this week, and I will talk to you later. Oh, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate it.